Well, you know, we're relieved. We're relieved, and we lived there a long time, and we're glad to get out to the Gibbons estate because we're not able to look after the things at the house like we should. And like mowing all the grass and trimming all the trees and keeping all the brush and stuff.
And the housework, I can't do it like I used to do it. I can't keep the house like I would like to. I'd like to have it nice and pretty, and it's just difficult. I can't cook. I can't remember the things that I put in my food when I have a recipe. I don't know whether I put them in or I've not put them in.
So how you feel now that you're here?
Oh, it's wonderful. We go downstairs and get something.
We're rested, and we're going to take this check and go to the bank right now.